Imagine turning a line of text into a full-blown cinematic sequence. What if Google just launched a tool so powerful, it makes video editing skills irrelevant? No actors, no cameras, no CGI studio, just you and your imagination. This isn't a concept anymore. It's Google Veo 3, and it's already breaking the internet. This AI doesn't just generate video. It renders emotion, understands motion, adds audio, and adapts to your storytelling tone. And today on NextCore AI, we'll show you exactly what it can do, why it matters, how it compares to everything else, and why some experts are already calling it a creative extinction level event. And you're watching NextCore AI, the channel where AI breakthroughs meet real-world monetization. If you want to get ahead of the game, create smarter, and automate your income, hit subscribe. Subscribe if you're building with the machines, not fighting them. Let's dive in. What is Google Veo 3? So what exactly is Veo 3? It's Google's new text-to-video AI model. You type in a prompt, something like a surfer riding a wave at sunset in cinematic slow motion, and it generates a full photorealistic video clip that matches your request. But here's what makes it different from everything else. 1. Cinematic quality. Veo understands camera movements like dolly zooms, time lapses, and aerial pans. 2. Audio built in. It generates not just visuals, but synchronized sound effects, ambient audio, and dialogue. 3. Long-form consistency. Unlike Sora or Runway, Veo's outputs can run longer while maintaining object coherence and subject realism. It's built on Google's Pathways architecture, and it integrates directly with Google Flow, their new all-in-one AI workspace. Shocking examples. Let me show you just how wild this gets. Prompt: a drone shot over a neon-lit Tokyo street during rain. Result: a 5-second aerial shot that looks like it came straight from Blade Runner. Prompt: a young boy staring out a window as snow falls, time-lapse style. Veo didn't just generate snow, it simulated seasonal shift, lighting change, even melancholic emotion. And here's the wildest one yet. A documentary-style shot of a lion walking through a foggy jungle, slow zoom. It rendered hair textures. It knew what fog does to depth. This isn't fake video. This is nearly indistinguishable from red cam footage. How does it work? At the core of Veo is a multimodal transformer model. It fuses video diffusion, temporal coherence, and generative audio in a single pipeline. Unlike older models, which stitch together still frames, Veo creates motion-aware embeddings. That means smoother movement, fewer artifacts, and stronger realism. But here's what really changes the game. Audio tokens. Google trained Veo to match your prompts with dialogue tone, ambient sound, even diegetic effects. Type: a man runs through a subway chased by footsteps, and you'll hear footsteps echo in sync with movement. How Veo compares: Sora, Runway, Pika. Now, how does Veo 3 compare to the big players versus OpenAI's Sora? Sora has better object persistence in early demos, but it lacks built-in audio and can't render long sequences yet. Veo's camera logic is stronger, especially for drone and motion tracking shots, versus Runway. Runway is more accessible, but capped in resolution and sequence stability. Veo produces much more cinematic textures and handles lighting like a film-grade renderer. Versus Pika Labs. Pika is fast and fun, but let's be real, it's a toy next to Veo. Pika's 3D illusions break under complex prompts. Veo thrives on them. Who is it for? Here's where it gets interesting. Veo isn't just for VFX nerds or YouTubers. Think about marketing teams who need cinematic ads but have zero production budget, educators who want to illustrate concepts with high-impact video game developers, creating cutscenes without a studio, TikTok creators producing 10 times content volume for 1/10 the cost. And yes, Veo will make certain production jobs obsolete, but it will also unlock millions of new creators who never touched Final Cut Pro in their lives. Limitations and downsides. Now, to keep it real, Veo isn't perfect. It still struggles with hands, mouths, and complex motion blending. Sometimes audio drifts out of sync in multi-scene clips. You can't yet edit specific frames or characters like in 3D software. It's currently invite only. Full public release is still coming. And the price? Early testers say it could be $250 a month for pros, though a light version is in the works. Why this matters, but zoom out. If GPT changed writing and Midjourney changed design, Veo is going to change film. This isn't just a tool, it's the start of AI as director. Remember when Canva made everyone a designer? Veo makes everyone a filmmaker. And that means creators who understand these systems early win big. In 3 years, we won't be comparing filmmakers. We'll be comparing filmmaking agents. Google's making it easy to generate, edit, iterate, and distribute, all from inside Flow. That's where Veo will live, alongside tools like Gemini, Bard, and their new agentic interface. It's not just an AI video generator, it's a content creation OS. VEO for monetization and creators. So how do you use this to build income? Sell Veo-generated stock clips on AI-friendly platforms. Use Veo to generate story-driven content for niche, faceless channels. Offer Veo-based ad creation to local businesses. Create cinematic shorts and TikToks with plug-in monetization. Launch an AI-powered creative agency with Veo outputs. Sell branded content packs on Gumroad Use. Veo to pitch storyboard videos to clients in seconds. Turn TikToks into premium ad clients with cinematic AI B-roll. NextCore Pro tip. Pair Veo with 11 Labs voiceovers and ChatGPT-4 scripting to create end-to-end AI video funnels. If you're in the creator economy, Veo is your new best tool. Let's go back to that question from the start. What if you could make a film without a crew, a script, or even a camera? With Veo, that's not the future, that's now. If this blew your mind, trust me, this is just the beginning. At NextCore AI, we break down the most powerful tech on the planet and teach you how to use it before everyone else does. Subscribe, stay sharp, build smart, and hey, what would you make if anything was possible? Tell us in the comments. Your prompt might be in our next video.